गोविंद लीनो गोविंद लीनो
In Rukmini Shivaya, there is a similar story. Because Krishna was coming and stealing every day from different houses. One lady, she thought, today I'll do something that I will see that Krishna doesn't come to my house. She went to a nearby garden, brought some banana stems, few mango leaves. She tied to the entrance banana stem and mango leaves as torana. So as usual, Krishna came to inspect what is happening. So when Krishna came, this lady started saying, see, today we have a puja in our house. So please don't disturb. We have cleaned the house, everything, kept it very nicely. We have a festival in the house and we have called a priest. So we are going to do a puja. Please don't disturb now. Please go and come after some time. Then Krishna said, a festival without me, how can it be possible? That lady did not understand. Then Krishna asked, who is that priest whom you have called? Actually, she did not call anybody. Then she referred some pujari's name in a nearby village. Then Krishna said, okay, I'll do one thing. I'll go and inform the priest to come faster to do the puja so that we can come after his puja. So he went to the Brahmana's house, that pujari's house, and said, sir, you have accepted so-and-so program in that lady's house. In their house there was one birth. So their family became Muchi. The program got cancelled. Then that priest thought, maybe I have forgotten, maybe she would have told long back and all these things are better. That program got cancelled. It is very happy. I am very happy. Then Krishna came back to this lady and said, see, the pujari is very busy. He has to go to some other place. It seems he cannot come. So pujari asked me only to do the puja. In 10 minutes, be ready. The Krishna immediately sent a WhatsApp call or what call, we don't know. 2,000 boys assembled there. And everybody decorated nicely with the silver, pancha and big namas, big garlands. And it's like they started chanting Veda Gosha on the path. And Krishna also nicely decorated himself, put various garlands, various malas. He became like a priest, big tilaka everywhere. Then he came, he was leading and all the boys were following him. So they came to the house to avoid one Krishna. Now 2001 people have come here. Then as soon as the boys came, then they started taking up various activities, kirtan, everything, different roles they have taken up. Now Krishna asked, where is your puja room? It's a small house, small 2x2 puja room. He went there are some saligramas and there are one family deity. Then he took out everything, started cleaning. Then Krishna said to that lady, bring your husband, I have to do sankalpa. The husband was brought, both wife and husband were made to sit there. And he started doing sankalpa. After sankalpa, he said, bring panchamrita. The husband started scolding the wife. If you would have come alone, drank some milk and went away. Now, see, he is asking milk, curds, honey, ghee, sugarcane water, all these things and all. For one small thing, now see how much he is planning now. Okay, somehow they arranged everything. Then Krishna said, I am going to show you an abhishekam never ever you have seen in your lifetime. Okay. Then they said, maybe he will be doing something like this and all, some combinations he may do like this and that. Then Krishna immediately manifested 8 arms. So in one arm he is ringing the bell, in another arm he is having kartala, he is only singing, he is only ringing the bell, chant 5 hands. And in one arm he took one banana, one flower, like how we do prokshana. He did prokshana unto the deity and drank everything. He did prokshana unto the deity and again he drank the next. First milk over, curds over, ghee over, honey over, next jaggery water over. Then after everything he said, how is the abhisheka? Then people were thinking, what is this? We have been, you say abhisheka and you drank away everything. Then he had asked to bring water. They brought water, Shuddhodaka. Then he started washing the deity with water. Then that lady asked, see, panchamrita you drank everything. Why are you washing the deity with water? No, for all of you, Charnamrita has to be given, no. That's why I am washing with water. So after giving Charnamrita, then bring Naivedya. Now, husband started scolding her very literally. See, now he will say Naivedya, then he will say, feed all my boys. Better, it is a best moment. Let us go and accept our mistake. That inform him that there is no puja, we have not invited anyone. We were just playing around with it. Then they went and informed Krishna that this is the thing, please forgive us. There is no puja in our house, we were trying to trick you. And Krishna said, how can this be possible? I came till the end, just finishing Naivedya will finish the program, and now you are saying, cancel the program. I am not a person of starting a program and cancel in between. If you cannot supply, see what I will do. Immediately Yogamaya came there and she brought varieties of items. So the varieties were offered. Then after that all the boys, 2000 boys were made to sit, and prasadam was served to all the 2000 boys. Everything was luxurious items. Never ever heard items in this world. That much quantities and that much quality. Even this family was made to sit there. And after giving prasadam, then everybody were given cloth, dakshina, gold, money. After everything and all, Krishna asked, how is the Abhishek? But the husband said, every day please come and do like this every day. Where is that opportunity for us to taste like this quality of food and like this quality where Krishna himself is personally doing all these things? So this is character. By his activities, by his form, by his behavior, he will attract one and everyone.
I don't know, don't forget your culture, because now we face this thing that we preaching to your generation, your culture, but we came from another country to preach it.
Because many people now, especially from big city like Delhi, they want to take Western culture.
Like they take meat, they don't follow their Vedic culture.
They drink coffee, tea, many
Alcohol.
bad things. But we came
Smoking.
like, for making opposite, because your culture actually more deep, more clean. Why you want to take these bad things from Western country? That's why these things we want to tell you. Please always say Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, and it makes your heart more clean, more soft. Then Krishna can come.